Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see new topic, three kingdom classification. This classification is under the classification of microorganisms. First of all, what is classification of microorganism? Microorganism is process of organizing and categorizing organisms into groups based on similarities and differences. Three kingdom classification. In the year of 1866, Ernest Haeckel classified living organisms into three kingdoms, Plantae, Protista and Animalia. The new kingdom Protista included all those organisms which lacked the capability of tissue differentiation. This group included algae, fungi and Protista. Later, kingdom Protista was reserved only for the unicellular organisms. Here are the key features of each kingdom. First, kingdom Plantae. Cell type eukaryotic. Cell structure. Cells have cell walls made of cellulose and contain chloroplast. Nutrition. Autotrophic. Reproduction. Primarily asexual and sexual reproduction. Examples: mosses, ferns, flowering plants. Second, kingdom Animalia. Cell type eukaryotic. Cell structure. Cells lack cell walls and chloroplast. Nutrition. Heterotrophic. Reproduction. Mainly sexual reproduction with some expectations. Examples: sponges, insects, mammals, birds. Third, kingdom Protista. Cell type eukaryotic. Cell structure mostly unicellular. Some have cell walls, others do not. Nutrition can be autotrophic, heterotrophic or mixotrophic. Reproduction can be asexual, binary fission or sexual. Conjugation. Example: algae, paramecia. Are you enjoying this video? And I like to ask some questions. Please answer in the comment box. First, who proposed the three kingdom classification? Second, which kingdom contains bacteria? And one more thing, do you have any question? Please comment. Thank you.